Hey there, English learners. Do your sentences feel like little islands floating apart? You need some conjunctions to connect them, like little bridges. Today we're talking about and, but, because, so, although, however. Let's connect your English together. Conjunctions are words that join ideas in a sentence. There are three types, but don't worry. Let's focus on the most common and useful ones. And adds information. I like pizza and pasta. But shows contrast. I like pizza, but I don't like cheese. Because gives a reason. I eat salad because it's healthy. So shows a result. It was raining, so we stayed home. Although, however, contrast too, but fancier. Although it was cold, I went out. It was cold. However, I went out. I love dogs, but I'm allergic. He is tired because he didn't sleep. It was raining. However, we went outside. Tip: use a comma or period before however. Quick quiz. Pick the right conjunction. Let's test your brain with a mini quiz. I wanted to go out, but it was too late. He stayed home because he was sick. I like chocolate, however I don't eat it every day. Nicely done. You're linking like a pro. Great job. Remember, use and to add. Use but, however, although, for contrast. Use because, so, for reasons and results. Now go connect your ideas like a grammar ninja. If you liked this video, hit that like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite conjunction in the comments. See you next time on My Favorite English Teacher.